traits and quality an individual need to hold to become a successful Scrum Master. But today, I am going to tell you set of stages a Scrum Master go through in an Agile project. And by understanding these stages, you become more effective, efficient, and a successful Scrum Master. So let's start. According to me, there are 5 stages a Scrum Master go through in his entire life cycle in an Agile project. The first stage is called coaching. The second stage is called setup. The third one, execution. The fourth one, monitoring. And the fifth one, moving out. As a Scrum Master, as you are being introduced in a new team, it's important that you coach the team right at the beginning. Sometimes the Scrum Master try to avoid this particular stage with a feeling that the team already know these practices or the setup is already in place. But I recommend that you as a Scrum Master need to hold, if not long sessions, but smaller sessions of coaching right at the beginning when you are being introduced in a new team for 2 reasons. One, it will connect you better with the team so you can get involved with team members really fast. And 2, you can correct any wrong practices if there are already existing. The second stage is of setup. In setup, once you are done with the coaching of the team, a Scrum Master need to set up certain tools to make the entire process efficient. For example, Jira or Confluence in some cases. You also need to formulate ceremonies by blocking calendars of various stakeholders, identifying various roles in the team, and ensuring that the various agile practices are being followed. These might appear as a mere project management processes, but these are extremely important to execute any agile project. Number 3 is the execution. Once the coaching and the setup is done, the third stage is of execution. So here, as a Scrum Master, you need to ensure first you understand the project at certain level. You also need to ensure 3 things. 1, you are able to guard the team against any impediment that comes in against the sprint goal. 2, the team is able to collaborate with other teams and the team has really good rapport within the team. And 3, you are able to highlight and foresee risks that the team is currently having. Once you are going through these execution phase, sprint after sprint, and the team become more and more mature, your involvement with the team reduces. In this stage of monitoring, which is the stage 4, I would say it's important that as a Scrum Master, you monitor if the team is following what is being taught at the beginning in the coaching stage. You also need to ensure that the teamwork is getting propagated to the right stakeholder in a right fashion by conducting the workshop, by conducting system demos, by making sure that the retrospective items are being followed and are being improved upon. And the 5th stage is of moving out. As a Scrum Master, as you are striving through making the team self-organizing after say an year or 2, once the team is self-sufficient, or once the team knows how to handle things even in your absence and work efficiently, it's important that you find out when is the time to move out from the team. This stage might seems to be a self-contradicting, where I'm saying that you need to ensure that at certain point in time as a scrum master your role become redundant, but it's extremely important because that's what the agile practices says. That's what the agile principle is all about. And as you move out, you will be making sure that you will be remembered thereafter how you have developed the entire processes. I also tried to put all these stages in a visual format. So here is a picture where I am portraying all these 5 stages based on the involvement of a scrum master with the time on x-axis. So if you see, when you start with the coaching stage, the involvement of you as a scrum master is bare minimum. But during the execution phase, your involvement with the team is extremely high. I hope this video helps you to understand what a successful Scrum Master need to go through in the life cycle of an agile project. And with this, I also hope that if you have gone through any other stages, you will let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, follow me on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and I see you next week.